If you need to reset your Outlook password, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Go to the Outlook sign-in page. Open your web browser and navigate to the Outlook sign-in page. Click on the sign-in button to proceed. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the sign-in page, enter your email address and click Next. When prompted for your password, select the Forgot Password link to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Verify your identity. You will be asked to verify your identity. Choose a method for receiving a security code such as via email or SMS and follow the instructions to receive the code. Step 4. Enter the security code. Once you receive the security code, enter it in the provided field on the website. Click Next to continue with the password reset process. Step 5. Create a new password. After verifying your identity, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before, then confirm it and click Next to complete the process. Now you can sign into your Outlook account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider checking the help section on the Outlook website for further assistance.